In this video, I will show you how to enable developer options in Excel. To begin, locate and click on the File tab at the top left corner of your Excel window. Once you've clicked File, look for Options in the sidebar. Click on it to open the Excel Options window where you can customize many aspects of your experience. In this new window, focus on selecting Customize Ribbon from the list on the left side. This section allows you to modify what appears in your ribbon, which is essential for accessing different functionalities quickly. Next, find the drop-down labeled Choose Commands from. Ensure it is set to Popular Commands. Now, turn your attention to Customize the ribbon. Make sure this option is set to Main tabs. This setting ensures that any changes made will be applied directly to your main toolbar. Scroll down through the list until you see an option labeled Developer. Once located, put a checkmark next to Developer. After checking Developer, click OK at the bottom right corner of this window. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled developer options in Excel. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.